tell. I got this palette, and this palette, when you put it on, it makes you feel like the baddest, like you cute or whatever. It is the baddest to the point your look will make, you know, these guys wet and wild. Oh wait, it's backwards. Hold on. Let me tell you. I got the Bretman Wet and Wild palette. It makes me feel like brand new. Like, I don't care about you. I don't care about you. I don't care about you. Oh, you don't like me? I don't care more than what I did before this was on my face. It just gives you like a I don't give a fuck feels. It's like powerful as hell. Let me tell you something. This eye, just from applying this makeup, is worth a fortune. But the price of buying that fortune, $15. $15. Only $15. $15. $15. $15. $15. Let me tell y'all about this palette. It's pigmented. It's beautiful. It goes on like butter. These are the colors. Clearly, I've been touching it. I haven't made a look yet, but I've been so desperate that almost every day I go to at least one color because I can't help it. I can't help it. I'm excited, not only because I just love this palette with the colors, the whole Bretman vibe, the Hawaiian vibe, you know. I think I'm also excited because I'm such a broke bitch. So it's been mad long since I got a new palette. You know that excitement when you're a broke bitch, you know? So I'm gonna show you how to create this look using this palette. And then I'm gonna talk about the swatches, the color, and everything like that. Because that's what it's making us feel like. Making us feel like the baddest. The baddest. So if you want to know how to feel like a cute or whatever bad bitch, just keep watching. So we're going to start with feeling myself, because we feeling ourselves. So I'm going to use this as our transition shade and bring it all in here. And I want to flare it out and drag it down a little. So you want to make this more angle with it, you know? And then yes, I'm going a little past the brow, a little past the brow. So what I love about this color is that it's pigmented but buildable at the same time, because I think it's just a perfect amount that goes on, and if you want to keep building up to it, you can. But the pigment in this whole thing is like, it's fire. And the next color we're going in is Flamingo. You heard that right. He calling out y'all bird. I'm going to pack it on the outer portion of my lid. I'm also gonna drag it into this. Drag it into that angle we created. So I want to make sure it's like out, blending it all in. So we're going to create a half cut crease, and we're going to apply this color, which is called Big Peacock NG. That energy, because we's got that energy. We's got that energy. You heard, you heard, you heard, you. So I realized the dark purple from the first time is not feeling myself, it's feline myself, like a cat. You hear me? So we're gonna go back within that dark color because I want to add, make sure we don't lose that dimension from when we applied the flamingo, you know. I'm going to just smudge it in. For our bottom lid, I'm going to use Pounce on them. And that we're going to wing out and connect it to the purple angle that we did. So you'll see. You'll see. So for our inner part, for our tear duct, we're going to put King of the Jungle. We're gonna look like we in the jungle by the end of this, you heard? So let's go. So then we're going to put this on the brow bone because I just want to blend out the top a little more, and I cleaned up with setting powder just so y'all aware. So this color is Coconut Canoisia. Yo, if I butcher the name, my bad. I just know I most likely butchered that name. I'm so sorry. So because I want the focus to be on the eye palette, I'm going to do the rest off camera. All I'm doing is adding a medium wing, and I pulled it into the tear duct, so I did that angle there too. And then I put black liner on the bottom and mascara. The thing is, I didn't do a big wing because I want the focus to be the eyeshadow. So just don't do anything overpowering. So I'm going to go and do the rest of my eyes, do the rest of my face, and then but I'll come back and talk more about the palette. I just want to come back and show you using Prowl as a highlighter. It works wonders, and I know I already put some on, but I'm adding more because we want our face to scream aloha. Heard me? Aloha. I love how the color applies because it's funny because he, in his video, he was like this, some of them aren't as pigmented because they're buildable, but for some reason my palette is like all fully pigmented. I don't know if I just had the best one out of the bunch, but the only one that gives me a little trouble when it comes to swatching is this one, but it doesn't perform bad. It's just my swatching, but all the other ones are good. But let me show you. So I'm only gonna swatch a few colors because I don't want to swatch everything. Let's do Prowl and King of the Jungle. We got it? Okay. And Anaconda, like duh, you know? And Venomous, Flamingo, and Pounce on them, which are the colors that we used in the tutorial. Purples and red are hard to normally do when it comes to pigmentation. So we're doing the other ones, which is, Feline Myself, and two can play at that game. Ooh. And I want to show y'all the black because that black, I'm like obsessed with that black. There's palettes with black in it, but it's not like harsh. Like I love that harsh black, like where it's dark. Because if I want a black, I want it black. I want it blacker than my soul. Like black, 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 blacker than this background. Like I don't need that black to like be like black. But yeah, 15 colors and I swatched 9. But I just wanted you to see this pigment because I was just like, this is good. And for $15, this is real good. And I love that it's Jungle Rock. I love this palette. And if you know this, I did this more so for the tutorial of how to create a look out of it. But because I'm not a review person, I'm more of a tutorial person. I like to create looks and teach you how to do them rather than review products, because to me, constantly reviewing products is not only boring, but it's also the fact that sometimes things can work for me and not for you. But in this case, it's eyeshadow. Shouldn't be that way. But I feel like there's always a way to find how to make something work, because there's shadows where people are like, I don't like them. And for me, it worked well. Well, depending how you worked on it. But do I think it's worth it? I'm not one to always I'm not a crazy review person. They only have like a couple of reviews on my channel. But it's definitely worth it. Like, I can't, like, go buy it. It's in Ulta. I just found out it's in Target. So if you want this palette, I suggest you go, you know, spend that $15. Like, I think it's really, really good. I think this is definitely gonna be one of my favorite go-to palettes. When I travel, I like to bring one palette with crazy colors, one with neutral. And I think when I go on vacation later on this year, if we're done with the quarantine, I'm definitely bringing this, because you know I'm from New York City, so let's not even get into that. But bravo. I really wish I got the whole collection, but let me tell y'all though, I got this a few weeks ago in Ulta, and when I went to Ulta, no one even knew. I guess they never announced it was out in Ulta yet when I saw it in Ulta, and they were gone. The whole collection was gone. I think there was only a few lip glosses there and the highlights, but the thing is, people stop touching if you're not buying it, because I was so blessed to find it. I was so lucky to find this, because there was 2 palettes left, and the other palette was open and someone broke into it and like messed with the colors and touched it. This was the only sealed one that was there at the time, so I got really lucky. But everything from the whole collection was just sold out. And when I saw it, I was just like, I'm snatching this, I'm getting this. And I've been trying to think of a look to create, and today it was like, I'm just feeling it. It's that day. Go off, girl. Go the fuck off. So I did just that. I tried to do just that. Like, this is definitely gonna be my summer palette. Like, Bretman, you came through. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a brand new body.